pumping out water, and literally you would sump the water out, and within half an hour there'd be 2 inches again in the whole basement suite. That's 1,400 square feet. Like, there was so much water coming into my home.
On Tuesday, several Kirschner Mountain flood victims met at City Hall voicing concerns, questions, and wanting so badly to just be heard.
Hey everyone, I'm at City Hall and we are here to get some answers and share our grievances. Conrad's just arrived, one of the homeowners affected by the Kirschner Mountain flood.
So we went in there just wanting to get information and share our grievances, and then we ended up having a meeting, which is fantastic. We talked about the big picture of our area and how we can, what kind of drainage systems we can put in place to move forwards and do that together. So kind of, let's collaborate. Let's see this problem in the bigger picture of things, not just isolated homes, but like as the entire east face of our area. And there's no drainage, and also like it's a main thoroughfare for children that walk down Limerick, and the cars go down there like 70 kilometers an hour in the morning to get to work. And we just, every morning we cringe. We don't let our kids near the street, and it'd be great. We talked about, like, if they could put a storm sewer in there and then put a sidewalk, man, we're making our community that much better. Not only we're safer water-wise, safer kid-wise, and also help improve the infrastructure of our community. So it was great to hear the city, like, James was writing down really good notes, and he helped guide the conversation in terms of what could we implement and looking at different options to move forwards. Also unpacking, the flow of the water and the different properties, how they're affected. And then the conversation moved to like damages and options there. And he's like, in 24 hours, we will have this whole meeting turn around in bullet point notes and next steps. And I was like, man, if he pulls that off, that's amazing. And so I thanked him at the end of the meeting, like, this was great leadership. Thank you so much. We feel heard.
The Kirschner Mountain Flooding Facebook page wrote, "I believe if we work together, we can find a solution that is a win-win for the developer, the city, and the homeowners." For Castanet News, I'm Madison Earhart in Kelowna.
Did you know we have an obituary section? Click on the blue Our Town button in the yellow masthead to find it.